Today, I'm going to show you how to poach some eggs. We're going to add some vinegar to the poaching water, and what this does is it will help the proteins in the egg coagulate. You're going to have fewer of those stringy bits floating around in the water. No measurement here, just a little splash in the pan. We don't want this quite simmering. We want the bubbles to kind of barely break the surface of the water. Otherwise, it's going to cook too quickly on the outside before the inside gets cooked properly. We've got the vinegar in. I'm going to give it just a little bit of stir, get that incorporated in the water. So I've got an egg, and it's going to be easier if you crack your egg into a little dish first. That way you don't get any shells. We're going to go one at a time. Plop it in there, crack another, drop it in there, and the last one. And you don't want to overcrowd your pan when you're doing this. Probably max 5 eggs in a dish this size. You want to kind of give them a little bit of room. One thing we want to watch for is that the eggs don't stick to the bottom of the pan. Now, one thing I like to do to help remedy that is just use a heat-safe spatula and just push it kind of here along the bottom of the egg very gently, just to release it if it has stuck. The eggs are going to poach probably between 3 and 4 minutes. I would check them at 3. I like a runny yolk, but the white's fully cooked. Dance break! Alrighty, these eggs are just about done. We're going to check them at the 3-minute mark. With a slotted spoon, this is going to make your job a little bit easier. We're just going to carefully scoop one up. Alright. I think it's a little underdone, so I think these are probably going to go a little bit closer to 4 minutes. So we've hit the 4-minute mark, and hopefully we're going to be done here. I'm gently pressing with my finger, and this one seems about done to me. I'm just going to kind of dab it dry on a towel, because that way when you put it on your English muffin and add a little hollandaise, it's not going to thin out your sauce. Next one, white's nice and firm, yolk is runny, that's how I like it. And if you like your yolks to be firm, by all means, keep these in the water longer. The last guy. Dab off the extra water, transfer it to the plate. As you can see here, we have 4 lovely poached eggs, and these are ready to eat. So I hope you enjoyed the tip with the vinegar and that this inspires you to make some poached eggs at home. Thank you.